What you call it? Finish editing this video so I can upload it in the next like 2 hours. I'm like almost halfway done. I just need to add music and a little finishing touch. So I will hit you guys back when I'm done. And I gotta make a thumbnail. So yeah, I don't have much to do, so it won't take that long. So yeah, so it's currently 10:30. I'm gonna just talk to you guys when I'm done with the video. So yeah, okay, so this is about to take forever. So I'm about to like make breakfast and all that because I ain't got time to be sitting out here. That's gonna take forever again to upload on YouTube. Like, I just hate it here at this point. That's about to stay. But I'm about to give y'all the rundown. I kind of want today to be a content day. I wanted to do a content day like this whole week. Today's Friday, so since I'm like the only one in the crib right now for a short period of time, I'm thinking about doing some content real quick. So yeah, I want to start posting like on TikTok and Instagram like a lot. So I'm thinking about, I don't know which, I've been seeing a lot of what you call it, like get ready with me's on my Instagram, and there's this one particular girl that just be popping up on my explore page. So I think I want to do a get ready with me, even though I ain't going nowhere, but who cares? I just like to get dolled up. So yeah, I might do that. I might do a makeup video too. I'm not sure about that because that's gonna take some time. And I kind of want to do another video for YouTube, but if I don't do it today, it's no biggie. So yeah, I want to start like posting like 2 or 3 times a month instead of just once a month. So yeah, we'll see about that. And I wanted to do my nails, but since nobody's here and there's some packages that's supposed to come, I don't want to be in the backyard and then miss the packages. I don't got time for that. So yeah, if I don't do my nails today, I'll do my nails tomorrow or whenever. Probably tomorrow because Labor Day is on Monday. It's just a whole lot of and this month is my birthday month. Like, oh my gosh, period. Don't have nothing planned. Probably not gonna plan nothing because I don't really care for my birthday anymore. Like, getting older, my birthday is like a regular ass day for me. Probably because nobody be planning stuff for me, and it's just like, okay, whatever. But I be coming through for people on their birthday, which I'm about to stop doing because when mine come, it's cactus. It's cactuses around. Like, it's a dry desert. But anyways, yeah, so we'll see if I do anything that day. So yeah, I'm about to make this brekkie real quick because I'm hungry. I'm starting, I'll tell you guys, just not now. I got a little secret. I got a couple little secrets, but like, I don't want to say anything right now because I feel like if I say stuff like too soon or like before it happens, it don't happen. So yeah, so I'm gonna tell you guys when it's like official. So yeah, tell you guys that it's like 2 or 3 like stuff I've been keeping a secret to myself. Haven't like told like anybody at all. So yeah, yeah, I'm hungry, so I'm about to stop talking. Should. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys when I figure this ish out, because this video is taking forever to save. And like, it's at 70% now. I just hate this process. Like, it be taking forever, and then it be taking a whole lot of when I try to upload it on YouTube. It's just, oh my god, this is like really annoying. New videos live. It took like 2 hours, but you know what, whatever. I made some barbecue chicken and rice. I've been craving barbecue chicken for the longest, so money, y'all. I'm about to get ready to go to the beach. I'm gonna have a solo beach day, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, basically it's the end of the summer and I want to end it off right, so I'm going to the beach. So yeah, I'm going to make some breakfast before I leave. So yeah, yeah, I'm about to, I got this cute outfit I want to wear, but I don't know. Sorry for the messy bed, but this is it. I was gonna like wait to wear it when I go on vacation, but yeah, no. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wear that. We'll see. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna fix the top when I'm done, but oh, I do like it. Nice for a little flicky flick. But yeah, I might wear some flip-flops with it. We'll see. But yeah, take this off. Yeah, I'm gonna wear it. Okay, this is the fit. This top is like a little too big, but we just got to make it work. Oh yeah. And now it's time to pick out a bathing suit. I don't have a lot, but this is my little, you know, my bathing suit starting. So I'm gonna show you what I have. I have like this blue set. Then I got this orange one. I always wear this one. This is like my go-to. I love this one. Orange looks good on me too, so. Then I got this one. I haven't worn this one in a minute, cause like the bottoms are like kind of big, but these are the bottoms and these are the tops. I think I might wear this one. Then I got this. I don't have any top to it. I don't know what happened to the tops, but I like this one, but like I haven't found like a top to like go with it. Then I have this one piece, and then I have this other one piece. Then I have this orange one that I bought like a year ago, but like I like this one. But like, what's the top? The top is like this. It has no paddings. Yeah, we're not doing it. And then I have this one. I like this one too, but since I already took pictures for the gram in this, I don't want to take pictures again and upload it on the gram. So it's like this. And this one is like kind of big too. Like the bottoms are kind of big, but I love the top. It's like a little, you know. Oh, it's about to be 11:30. Oh my gosh. But I don't know which one I'm gonna wear. I think I'm gonna just wear this one. I'm gonna like take this one because I don't feel like trying on the bottoms right now. Like that's too much. I'm trying to be there at a certain time. I'm trying to go there, enjoy myself for like an hour or two, and then back out. So I'm gonna bring that one and then the orange one. And like when I go to the bathroom over there, whichever one that fits, I'm gonna put it on. So yeah. I'm about to like leave in 10 minutes, so yeah. We're gonna fill my water bottle up. My hand is in water bottle would keep my water cold for hours. So I'm about to fill this up real quick. Y'all, this freaking sand is not freaking hot. Like, my feet is burning. Like, oh my freaking gosh. I should have put on my socks before I got in the freaking sand. But I'm trying to get closer to the water just in case I want to go in the water. I can like watch my stuff. So, yeah. It's really not a lot of people out here, which is a good thing. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go more closer to the water. A little bit more closer. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go a little more closer to the water. It's really kind of empty out here. Not gonna lie. Like, it's mad room over this way. And then when you turn this way, the other way, it's like, I know it's gonna, for a fact, it's gonna be hell walking back. But you know what? Whatever. I'm gonna stay like right here. Oh, it's fucking hot. I'm sweating. And everything else. I just hope I don't get sand in my damn phone. Cause I'm gonna be upset. Like, dude, I'm gonna be highly upset. Oh, I thought I left my blanket. I was about to say. Y'all, I'm over it. I'm over it. Y'all, look at this. It is cracked again. The back is even more worse. These screen protectors, I'm over it. Hopefully this stays and don't keep dropping because I don't got the patience and the energy. But I'm doing my makeup right now, and I kind of gotta rush through it, and I'm breaking out, and I don't like that. So I'm doing my makeup in the bathroom because this is like the only place in the house that the lighting is perfect. So bought this because my mom had it and I needed to get myself one because I can get it out, because I like how it goes on your skin. Like, it goes on nice and smooth. So we're gonna do that. I bought me a new foundation because I needed a new foundation, and needed a full coverage foundation because the other ones I have are not full coverage. And baby, we don't got time for that. So I had to get me one. I used this long time ago. It's a 2-in-1. It's a foundation and concealer, but I'm gonna use a foundation. And I got the shade Cool Cafe because, bro, this is not the time right now. Can you throw everything on the floor? Be clean after. So hopefully this is my shade. It might be a little too dark, but I'll fix it up. And then I have this. Is a setting powder. I needed a setting powder for the longest because mine is Benito. And yeah, this is the Golden Banana. So yeah, I've never heard of this brand before. Didn't do my research or nothing. Just saw it and was like, I need a setting powder. I don't have time, so we gonna get it and we gonna try it. So I got the darkest shade. I should have got like, okay, we're gonna start off with my eyebrows. It's always that one eyebrow. Swear to you. Okay, so we're gonna put. Okay, so we're gonna test this out. Let me blend everything else out. This is not full coverage at all. Finally, this is not full coverage. What the heck? Or is it the brush? Probably the brush. It does says full coverage back. Oh yeah, it's not full coverage. Oh my god. Oh, whatever. I don't care at this point. Like, the damage is already done.
If you're not tonight, please, man, you must skip it.
freaking just haven't been feeling good. Like yesterday was my birthday, and I don't know, just after yesterday everything just went my lips are mad chapped. Oh my gosh. But I finally just got out of bed. It is 5:31. So yeah, only reason why I'm getting out of bed is because like I need to like put some food in my system, and I just haven't been in the eating mode. Like I don't have an appetite at all.
Different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night, 4 shows, I'm juggling. The ocean, port, I'm paddling. Cherishing a fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen traits. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Look at the straight, you are not my mate. If you become shit, now be head of state. But my people then go say, I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want baby, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want big house, I still want turn up high.